Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Cali Hiker, and today we are at a very cool place. We're at Pinnacles National Park. This is America's newest national park. It's only been a national park for less than 2 years. More specifically, we were at the Bear Gulch Nature Center in the parking lot, and as you can see right in front of us, that is Highway 146. It ends about a half mile that way. If you go east, you get to the eastern entrance, but this road does not take you through Pinnacles. In order to get to the west side, you either have to hike there or you have to drive outside of the park and do a giant loop. Today we're going to do a very short and easy hike through the Bear Gulch Cave. I believe it's called like Moses Creek or Moses Trail. It's only about 2.2 miles, I believe. Shouldn't take very long. Back with you guys when we begin. You can see here we are at the parking lot at the end of Highway 146. Like I said, only 8 spots, not a lot. But you can see right behind us, this is what Pinnacles National Park is famous for, is the volcanic formations that have traveled over, I want to say it's 150 miles or maybe 200 miles up from north of LA all the way to the present day location due to the San Andreas Fault. You can see people actually climb the rocks around here. There's going to be a lot more views of these spectacular looking volcanic rocks. After you guys, and we're going on the trail right here. 0.7 miles to the reservoir, 1.9 to the high peaks. Getting ready to enter the Bear Gulch Caves. You can see the creek, and there's a sign warning you about if it gets wet, you gotta be real careful. See, that's just what we walked through right there, the little trail part. Really, these caves weren't created by water. They were actually mainly created just because these rocks, just fell down, and the way they fell down, they created a cave, and dirt started falling on top of them, and trees started growing. But they're not the typical type of cave that you see. And see what we got up ahead. It's really pretty cool down here, actually. I have to say it's probably in the 50s over here, honestly. It's really not, it's really kind of chilly. Entering the cave. It's absolutely beautiful in here. Okay. See, they got a little bridge put in here so you can cross the creek, but there is some water up ahead, as you can see. It's absolutely stunning. Like I said though, the rocks pretty much just fell down here and it created a cave. Now you got trees growing on top of them. I want to be careful right here because it is it's about 6 inches of water, so you definitely want to be very careful. Got another bridge right here. We gotta go down. Oh, you can feel the breeze. Got the back doors. Something's thundering. Don't know what it is. It might be a waterfall for all I know. Thunder, thunder, thunder. very cold in here. Into that part of the cave is blocked off. We have to go this way. Yeah, I just noticed it. Damn, it's tight. Ah, it's tight. I'm too fat for this one. That was tight.
It really warms up.
Yeah. There's like what? Less than 50 in there. Felt like it.
Oh,
that was amazing.
Yeah, I like that. I didn't think there would be that much water.
Wow. See, we got another footbridge. We're back in kind of the cave. Just keep walking through this little canyon that the creek made, and then these rocks just fell into it. It's not as cold in here as it was in the other one. The other one, the temperature had at least been in the mid-50s, maybe the high 40s. See, we got some staircases up ahead. And there are quite a few tight spots on here where you have to kind of turn sideways to make it through. But don't worry, it's not a very strenuous hike, and it is quite amazing, everything that you can see. This staircase, just for one, is pretty narrow. It's about 2 feet wide. You gotta be careful. We're coming up on the reservoir up ahead of us. Well, everyone, we just got back to the little tiny parking lot at the end of Highway 146, and we still got to hike the last 5 minutes back to the Bear Gulch Nature Center. But this is pretty much the end of the hike, so figured I'd do it here. Anyway, get back with you guys probably tomorrow because I'm camping out here. I'm going to make a short video of the campground, or at least my camping spot, before I finish filming for the night. Back to you guys later.